What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And we told you, when I say we, I mean me, and maybe some of my other personalities. I don't know. But we told you previously in a different video that we were going to make 2020 the year where DCG Construction takes safety, personal safety, and PPE more seriously. So what does that mean for you? That means you get to see more PPE in our videos. I know you're going to love it. It's exciting stuff. It's all coming right up after this message from our sponsor, DCG Construction. And here's the deal. We've got a nice new hard hat here. We're going to go over the functions of it. We also have our orange or green or high-vis vest. We have a headlamp. Why do we have a headlamp? Because it works with this hard hat. It's not necessary for what we're going to be doing, but why are we doing this right now? The reason we're doing it is because we need to go to dump the dump trailer. Yes, we use our Toyota Tundra to tow our dump trailer down to the dump. This is the thing. More and more facilities, they're taking OSHA regulations and they're taking safety much more seriously. So when we go down to the dump, we have to make sure everyone in our crew team, quite frankly, it takes one extra person to run the camera, if you know what I mean. So we needed to pick up another hard hat and another high-vis vest. Here's the reality. Everybody's got to have at least a hard hat on and a high-vis vest. This is the front brim vented hard hat with bolt accessories. Type 1 Class C. The Milwaukee front brim vented hard hats are designed to adapt for your job site. The hard hat has a bolt reversible headlamp mount that works with most headlamps for easy, secure attachment. 4 bolt accessory slots and 2 universal accessory slots easily integrate additional personal protection equipment and accessories onto the helmet. All Milwaukee hard hats have a ratcheting suspension for quick adjustment and added comfort. A bolt marker clip allows for easy access to pens and markers. A sweatband is included and is moisture wicking for additional comfort. These construction hard hats are ANSI and CSA approved. So what does all that mean? That means that this is literally the transformer of hard hats. The good thing about this mount is that you could put it up front here, right? Lock it in place. Or we can reverse and put it on the back. Or you could put one on both. You could put one here and one here, depending on the type of marking lights. You might have a headlamp out front and then a marking light in the back to alert people that you are there in low light situations. The suspension rig is ratcheting, so it's easily adjustable. Pretty cool. And then on this hat, we have, it's added on our hat. Okay, we have a clip. We can move it to any of these 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4 spots on this hard hat. Or we have 2 universal slots. These clips work specifically in these spots. So you can put your marker, your ink saw, your Sharpie right on your clip here. Okay? And it's going to hold it in place. Pretty cool. The hat itself, the hard hat, is easily adjustable for people with big or small heads. You can see all I got to do to get the 100% correct size, we just adjust the hard hat with this ratcheting knob. We tighten it down. Now we don't have to worry about moving around, having our hard hat fall off. Pretty cool, easily adjustable. Milwaukee is offering some hard hat specific headlamps that will strap onto this mount. They also will articulate. We opted not to go with that. We picked up this headlamp. This is a 600 lumen headlamp. It's USB rechargeable. Okay, so we don't have to worry about changing AA batteries or AAA batteries. The other thing is that because it is USB rechargeable, we don't have to worry about those one-use batteries going into a landfill. These are rechargeable, so they're going to have a longer life, and eventually they will get recycled or I guess going to a landfill. This is product number 2115-21. You can see its battery pack or battery slot is at the rear. So you're not going to have all that weight hanging off the front of your headlamp or your hard hat. Pretty cool. Let's get it open. What do you think? It says it over 2,000 recharges on this. And you will see they have a little picture of a person here wearing their headlamp directly on their dome. Okay, it's not on a hard hat. But it does come with hard hat clips included. You want to talk about secure packaging? I refuse to dull my freshly sharpened knife. Frustration-free packaging. This is not. You know, I don't suggest you open your packaging with tin snips, okay? With cutters, because you might cut something important. If you do it at your own risk, okay? We don't sanction you opening your packaging with tin snips. So these bolt accessories, you could buy more pen clamps. You could buy, like we said, a second hard hat headlamp mounts for the back if you wanted. Also, it's all replaceable. The suspension rig in here can be replaced. This sweatband can be replaced, so it's rebuildable. Pretty cool. I dig that. Now, let's show you how this would mount on here. You could see this headlamp, it's got a band here. Well, this is articulating as well, okay? But it's where it would contact your forehead. It also has a sweatband as well. And it stretches. You can wear this standalone, okay? And it will articulate down. It's up to 600 lumens. You can see here's our on and off switch here. And here's our mode switch. You could switch through those 4 different modes. Easily accessible. Now, another good part is the battery. The weight of that USB rechargeable red lithium USB battery it's separate here. It's on the back. So all that weight isn't hanging off the front of your head. I have other headlamps. Those headlamps do double and quadruple the lumen output of this light. You know, they're 1,200 and 2,400 lumens. They're from a different manufacturer, but they are all contained in the one unit out front, and it does sometimes slip down off your head because it's not balanced like this split unit is. Pretty cool. Now, if we wanted to, we could adjust here for bigger and smaller noggins. You can see our wire kind of has some protection here on the side of it. We're going to use this with our hard hat. All we have to do is adjust our straps out to accommodate that hard hat. You don't necessarily need this bolt accessory, but it makes for a nice flat surface for your headlamp to ride on. Okay? And what we're going to do is pull our battery pack down, and to secure our headlamp even further, we're going to use these little clamps, right? We're going to slide the band over the center of the clip. Okay? Like so. We're going to do that in 4 different positions to get the most amount of clamping force. All we're going to do, right, at that point is we're going to get these clips. We're going to clip it onto the hard hat. Boom. See? Clip it, clip it, clip it. Clip it. Clip it. Wow, look, it broke the light off. You know, look, this is the deal. If I was if I was all y'all, I would probably look to use the hard hat specific headlamp, okay, that works with the U-bolt accessory. This doesn't seem like a great solution for that. My mistake, people. This is going to work good for when I just need to put a headlamp on my dome, okay? With no clamps or none of that stuff, or a ball cap. Not necessarily a hard hat. Unless I'm doing something wrong, peeps. Leave it down in the comment section below. Or Milwaukee Tool, if you're watching, you know, am I doing something wrong? Leave it in our comment section or hit us up on email or social media. We have Milwaukee, we have Instagram, we have Twitter. You could hit us up there if you want, okay? Let's move on to our high visibility performance safety vest. This is size large or extra large. It says comfortable padded collar, pretty awesome. Reinforced front pockets, zippered tablet pocket, all kind of stuff going on here. 15 storage pockets, external 2 mic tabs, pretty cool. 1 clear ID holder, 2 chest pockets, 4 reinforced pen pockets, 2 reinforced barrel pockets, 1 tablet pocket. Inside, there's a chest pocket, 2 barrel pockets. Unbelievable. Internal size adjustment. Okay, if you like form fitting. Then we have fall protection pass through. If you're gonna lanyard up and you want to have your high vis vest on. And then a rear zippered tablet pocket. Let's get this thing open. I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited about this. This feels nice. Like, you know, look at this. It comes with the super dry little insert in there. Okay, this is a nice safety vest. Okay, this isn't like a disposable one-use safety vest. You're gonna use this for a long time. Let's put this on. I might have to wear this out to dinner one night. This is really nice. Okay, so instead of just being functional as far as making you visible, this safety vest has pockets. Okay, for you to store things, okay, make them more readily accessible. Look at that. Great part about this pocket, it has, look at that. It has Velcro, top and bottom to hold that pouch open. We have our ID, our little ID window. We have our barrel pouches, like in case you don't have a hard hat holder. Boom, you could put different pens, markers in your holder there. So we have some barrel holders here. It's got inside pockets and pass-throughs. Look at this, inside pockets, pretty cool. And then it has a pass-through for your lanyard, as well as an adjustment for the safety vest inside here to fit it to the correct size. Now, what's great about that is, if you adjust that size, you're not going to have all that extra fabric hanging off of you, potentially getting caught up in machinery and such. Very, very safe. We have a pouch back here. We could put things like tablets. I don't have a tablet with me, but you could see like it will hold this bit kit. Obviously, it's not for tool storage. We're just simulating a tablet, okay? Then you would zipper it up. Boom. Look at that. This safety vest is a Safety Vest Plus. And if you like getting a little bit more plus, then smash the like button. Also, leave it down in the comment section below. Are you seeing things clearer for 2020 and realizing that you need to be safe on the job? Because things can happen in an instant. Could leave your loved ones without a mom or without a dad, or your parents without their son or their daughter. We don't want none of that. You got to be safe. Safety first. Leave it down in the comment section below. Are you going to make safety priority for 2020? We want to know. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you. So I want you to make safety first, because I want to see you all on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here.